Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Shopkelcys. In this video, I will be showing you guys how I make my deep conditioning butter, which is a powerhouse of lots of nutrients for your hair. A little side note, I did go ahead and cut off about 3 inches off of my hair, so if you did watch my last video and my hair seems shorter, that's the reason why. Without taking much of your time, let's get right ahead into this video. For my first ingredient, I'm going to go ahead and use shea butter. Shea butter helps repair your scalp and hair follicles, and it's especially good for the winter as it helps protect your hair against weather damage, dryness, and also brittleness. I'm going to go ahead with my extra virgin coconut oil. I got this from Costco. It's the Kirkland brand. Coconut oil contains lauric acid, and as a result of its small molecular weight, it's able to be absorbed through your hair shaft and cuticles, thus conditioning your hair and also softening it. Here is my olive oil. Olive oil is a good source of antioxidants, which helps to promote the overall health of your scalp. It also has a small molecular weight, so it's able to be absorbed through your hair shaft and cuticles. I got this Jamaican black castor oil unfiltered on Etsy. Castor oil contains ricinoic acid and omega-6 fatty acids, and when you help massage them into your scalp, it helps increase blood circulation, and it's also known to thicken the hair. MSM is rich in sulfur, and it helps increase the rate of your hair growth since it promotes the anagen, which is the growth phase of your hair. So the longer your anagen phase, the longer your hair is going to grow. I'm going to make another video talking about the growth cycle later on. So here you see me mixing all my ingredients together. So like the only thing that's not an oil here is the MSM. So I'm going to go ahead and mix all of them to make sure it's mixed with the MSM. And here you see I have my hot water, and I'm just melting it slowly. You don't want to use you don't want to put it in the microwave or like you put it on the stove, because then that's going to destroy some of the nutrients in the oil. So I like to put it in hot water and then just have it slowly all melt together. Here, as it's completely melted, I'm gonna go ahead and cover it with my saran wrap, and I'm gonna put it in the refrigerator. It froze in the refrigerator as I was so tired and I fell asleep, so I did go ahead and just melt it a little bit. And here I'm using my hand mixer to mix all of the ingredients together. I did go ahead and add peppermint oil. Peppermint oil provides a tingling sensation which promotes circulation to the scalp. It's also proven to increase the number of hair follicles and overall hair growth. If your hair is thinning, I recommend mixing peppermint oil with a base and applying it to that area. Fenugreek contains nicotinic acid, which penetrates the hair roots. It also dilates the vessels of the hair, stimulating blood circulation and metabolism to the hair sac, thus increasing the growth rate of the hair. Moringa contains high amount of protein which strengthens your hair. You can make moringa into smoothies and tea to gain the highest capacity from the nutrients, but I don't like the taste of moringa, so I like to put it in my conditioner and apply it topically to my hair. I did soak the fenugreek seeds in water, and the water is what I'm using here along with the moringa powder. I didn't just use the powder by itself because it was gonna fly away. So I microwaved the moringa powder along with the fenugreek water, and then I put it in the mixture. Now note that when you put it in the mixture, as you see here, it's going to go back into its watery form because it's hot, and it's going to melt the fluffy butter. So what you want to do is that you're going to put it back into the freezer and have it sit for about 40 minutes till it's about to turn solid, and then you come back and mix it again, as you're going to see me do in this video. This is how it's looking like after I put it in the freezer. So as you can see, it turned solid, and I'm mixing it with my hand mixer. And you're going to get your fluffy textured butter back. I do apply this mixture to my shampooed hair. So as you can see, I'm about to apply the mixture after I have shampooed my hair. Look at the shrinkage, y'all. Like, oh my god. Like, this is crazy. I couldn't fit the length of my hair in the frame, so that's why you see me outside my wallpaper. So I had to move the camera forward and go back. A little side note, after you're done applying the deep conditioner, please go back and wash your hair with shampoo to get rid of the smell, because fenugreek smells like maple syrup. And you have the castor oil in there, which smells really bad, and you also have shea butter, which also smells really bad. I also do want to say that usually I don't apply this much to my hair. I'm just applying it so you guys could see in this video. Since it's butter, it's going to melt, so you don't want it to be dripping on you, as you're going to see at the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please consider subscribing. It really helps my channel out. Also, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up. It really helps with my YouTube algorithms. When you guys like my content, YouTube will recommend them to other channels so they could also watch my channel. Feel free to leave any questions that you may have in the comments. I always go to the comments to answer you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and hopefully I see you in my next video. Bye! And now, by the power of the ancestors vested in me, I'll go ahead and use the plastic bag to cover my hair for an hour until I'm ready to shampoo it.